People think that pig farming is very easy. All you need to do is feed the pig, let them grow, take them to the market and sell them. This same mistake almost destroyed my farm when I started. This is my farm. Every day look the same. We feed the pigs, we clean the pen, we give them water. I used to think as long as pig eat, they will grow. I was wrong. Some of the pigs were eating very well, but they were not growing fast. Others looked healthy, but weight was not added up. Feed was finishing quickly. Profit was slow. Stress was high. Sometimes I blamed the feed. Sometimes I blamed the pigs. I even blamed myself. After some time, I realized something was missing. It wasn't the feed. It wasn't me. It was timing, water, and attention. I learned to give them attention, and I discovered that some pigs were stressed because the pen was overcrowded. Some were competing too much for feed. Some were drinking dirty water. That small neglect was costing me money every day. I take time to observe how they eat, and I decide to adjust feeding time. I give them clean water regularly. When their water is dirty, I change it immediately and give them clean water. I reduce stress, and this helped me a lot. No new expensive feed, no miracle drugs, just better management. And slowly things changed. That was when pig farming taught me a life lesson. Sometimes in life, it is not all about working hard. It's about fixing small things we ignore. What is your relationship with your pigs? How do you treat your pigs? How much time do you spend with your pigs? Do you always check your pigs to know how they are growing, how they are feeling, what they are doing? Pig farming is not all about business as many people think it is. It's about life. When you take good care of your pigs and treat them right, they will give you the profit you deserve. Pig farming taught me that in life, small problems grow big when we ignore them. If farm life teaches you real lessons, subscribe and tell me in comments what small thing you are ignoring in your farm right now.